Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, to change the language, just click on menu up right here, then choose settings. Now you can see 4 different options right here: draft, edit, performance, and general. Let's go one by one. In the draft, you will all your files locations and some Capcut settings. In the edit, you will see all of your draft settings when you export the videos. Then we have performance, like how much data you have used on Capcut and other stuff as well. Last but the least, general, and here you can change your Capcut language. Let's select Filipino and click on save. Then your language will change from English to Filipino, but I'm going to stick to English and then click on save. That's how you can change language in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you want to know how to create a compound clip in Capcut PC, then watch this video. Thanks for watching the video.